Barnaby was a normal hamster, except for one thing. He didn't just sneeze, he launched like a rocket. One sunny afternoon, Barnaby's owner, a chaotic 7-year-old named Leo, decided to show Barnaby his prize-winning giant marshmallow. It was the size of a basketball. Just as Leo leaned in for a sniff, a tiny speck of dust landed right on Barnaby's twitching pink nose. The world went silent. Barnaby's eyes bugged out. His cheeks puffed up like two overinflated balloons. "Wait, Barnaby! Not near the marshmallow!" Leo screamed, diving in slow motion. Too late. Akoo! The blast was so powerful, it sent Barnaby spinning through the air like a furry frisbee. He slammed into the giant marshmallow, which acted like a trampoline. Barnaby bounced off the marshmallow, hit the ceiling fan, spun around 3 times, and flew straight into Leo's bowl of chocolate cereal. Cereal milk exploded everywhere. Leo stood there, dripping with milk, staring at the marshmallow. But Barnaby wasn't done. He let out a second tiny sneeze. Choo! The vibration caused the giant marshmallow to tip over. It rolled slowly across the floor, picking up Leo's toy cars and a stray sock, growing into a giant snowball of fluff before finally pinning the family cat, Whiskers, against the sofa. Whiskers didn't even look mad. He just started eating his way out. Leo looked at the camera, covered in milk, and whispered, "I think we're gonna need a bigger marshmallow."